Well, we could try to make a sprint over that way and loop back into the little trail that goes ready! And we try and loop back through and then try and get around the bridge and push them out.
Okay. You just want to roll across the creek there and kind of hit on this side? Okay.
Alright. Well, we're letting Carmen sneak, so... Hang on, he's coming around. He dead? It's up farther. Okay. Like, see that tree that's just in the middle right there? Yeah, it's right by there. Last time I checked. Whoa, right there. Killed him. Kill him, he's out of ammo. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Revive! Ah, hit! Dude, I'm going about it. I'm keeping straight. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Revive! Hit! I'm fucking dead, buddy.
Alright.
No, just me.
Me.
Hit!
I liked my spot last time.
Okay.
Alright, you can go there.
I guess we'll I'll wait on you, buddy.
Going around doesn't usually seem to work with the spot.
Well, we could try trying to that tree that's sort of out in the open. And if we could get behind there, that would provide us enough cover.
Okay.
And you could shoot out of that side. I could run out to that little passage. I could get in, and then I'll give you covering fire, then you go into the passage, and we can loop around.
You're right.
Game on! Shoot him. Alright, ready now. Run, 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 run! Oh, no. You hit? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Revive!
Got him.
Hit again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Revive!
One left.
I see him. Someone's hit. Alright, game over!